हाँ। हम्म। हेलो एवरीवन, आर यू एबल टू हेयर मी? अब आएगी देख। हेलो। थोड़ा सा। लाइव एक्चुअली ठीक नहीं है, पता है। Okay। हम्म, चल ठीक है, अभी चालू करते हैं वर्कशॉप। ओके। ठीक है, अब कॉल मत करना, मिस कॉल करना और व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज करना, ठीक है। हाँ, क्योंकि सुन, मैंने कमेंट सेक्शन ऑन किया है तो ग्रुप का सेटिंग चेंज कर दिया है, सिर्फ एडमिन मैसेज डाल सकते हैं। आज कमेंट सेक्शन है वीडियो पे, ठीक है, मैसेजेस देखने के लिए। हम्म। Hello everyone, are you able to hear me? Type yes in the comment section of this video, so I will come to know. Yes, you all can hear me now. Today we have a live chat option in this video. We are going to chat from there only. Type yes in the chatbot section. Hello. Hello everyone. Type yes in the chat box section if you are able to hear me. In this video we have a live chat option. Click there and type yes if you are able to hear me. Okay everyone, so it's 6 p.m. now. Just in minute or two we will start our session. Let's see how many people join this. And tell all your friends if they have forgotten about this session or something, just message them once so they will come to know. Yes. Today's session is going to be a lot of fun, because we are going to create our live website today. And after this session, you can also create your live site. So usually to create the entire site, it takes somewhere around 1 hour to 2 hours, but it depends on the person also. Like if you can create content very fast, if you have already if you have already pre-made images and graphics, then it won't take much time. So as I can see, there are 22 people right now watching this live. So I think so we should start the workshop now. What do you think, guys? We should wait for others to join, or we should start? Type start in the chat box if you want me to start the session now. There is a live chat option on this video. Type start on that live chat box there. So I will come to know. Either you want me to wait or you want me to start. I'm waiting for your instruction, guys. Okay, start. Yes sir, start. Okay guys, we will start this session now. Let others who miss those let go. Let others miss this session who are missing this. Okay guys, so let's see the topic first, what we are going to learn. Okay, so today's topic is going to be we are going to launch our default website first from local WP. See guys, so might be I didn't told you about the local WP yesterday. I just told you to install it, right? So what is local WP? Local WP is a kind of software which allows you to create a website in your own computer first, and after creating that site you can take out that file from your local WP and you can paste it in the live server. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is the dashboard of local WP. Okay, right, this one. So we have to create a site on it, and in local WP you can just create a WordPress site. That's what its name is, local WP. WP means WordPress. Okay, so we are going to create a dummy website first in local WP, and then what we are going to do, we are going to start building that site. Yes, let me show you. Yes, we are going to start building that website. So for building that website, we are going to start, we will first log into our site, and then we will choose design of our website, and then we will edit the contents. Okay, yes, so in that way we are going to learn. Okay, and after that, once we log into our site, we will choose our design. So guys, we have pre-made templates for every type of business. Like today we are going to create, hi, I am so and so and I am a website designer. Okay, so suppose if it is Prashant, so hi, I am Prashant Londhe, I am a website designer and digital marketer. So he is going to create the website on his own name. Okay, and then after that you will also learn that how you can create website for any other business, and with this website you can market yourself to get a website designing project too. Okay guys, so after that what we are going to do, we are going to install a dummy theme, right, of a website designer. After that we need to customize it, we need to modify it, right, according to our needs. We need to change the dummy content with our content, right? So I will show you that too, how you can do that. So in this way, in just this 4 easy steps, our site will be created today. Okay, and as I hope so you might have visited W3 schools, which I have shown you in yesterday's video, because there are few terms like H1, H2, H3, P for paragraph, which I have taught yesterday. So that will help you today to understand this remodification or customization more easily. Okay, So guys, before starting the website designing, I'm going to teach you something, like I will explain you some things about the website layout, about the pixels and everything else. So I want to know, are you all able to hear me properly? Just type yes in the chat box. Yesterday there was many complaints about the audio. Is it good today? Type yes in the chat box so we can move ahead. Okay. Type fast, guys. There are only 2 or 3 replies yet. Okay, so I got your replies. Fine. So now we will go to understand first what is pixels. So as to measure something, we take units like centimeter, inches, foot, right? Okay, so this scale is of 15 centimeter. This notebook is of 30 centimeter, right? So in the similar way, to upload any image or any particular type of dimensional object, we use pixels. Okay, how we use centimeters for physical object, in the similar way for any digital image or any digital object, we use pixel in their dimension. So it is called as 1000 by 1000 pixel. So this image is of 1000 by 1000 pixels, this image is of 100 by 100 pixels, right? So pixel is nothing but a digital dimension of any digital product, of any image, any page or anything. Okay, so let me show you what is pixel. Okay, see, a minute area of illumination on a display screen, one of many from which an image is composed, as you can see. So all these small dots of image are pixels, which comes together and forms a illumination of image. Okay, so let's see about this so you can understand more better. If we go to file explorer, guys, okay, and if we choose any particular image, so suppose this image is there, just wait for a second, guys. Yeah, I hope you all are able to hear me. So suppose this image here, this is a digital image, right? Because it is stored in my computer, so I want to see its size. So when I hover on it, you can see here dimensions 1920 by 180, right? So these dimensions are in pixels. So let me show you more clearly. Right click on that particular image, click on properties, and as you can see here, our image size, just wait, our image dimensions in details, go to details, our image dimension is 1980 by 1080 pixels, right? Here it is in pixels. So any digital file is always going to be in pixels. Okay, are you able to see these properties? I don't think so. Just wait for a second, guys. Yes. So I was talking about this. Our image size is 1080 pixels in height, and in width it is 920 pixels. It is 1920 pixels in width and 1080 pixels in height, as you can see. So similar way, whenever we are going to upload any image or any type of object in our website, we are going to specify their height in pixels, not in centimeter, not in inches, or maybe if not in pixels, we will specify it with using percentage. Okay, so this image needs to look in a 25% area only. Okay, so your 75% area will be free, okay, with a white blank space there. So in that way we are going to do this. So now let's go to our Chrome. Just wait for a second, guys. As you can see now, now the second part is website layout. You need to understand what is a particular portion in the website is called as. Without that, you won't understand how to create a site. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. The portion of a website in the header where your logo is present, that particular portion in your site is called as header. The portion where your logo is, that particular section is called as header. So right now in my site, my logo is here, right, Akshar Digital. So this portion, this circular, this much area here is my header. Okay, and the portion in the website where you have these links, this menu, so these particulars are called as menu of a website. Why menu? Because from here people can navigate. This portion is also called as navigations, okay, or navigation menu. So from here people can navigate. So this thing is a menu of a website or a navigation of a website. Okay, as you can see all these links in any website, its logo is called as header, its links are called as navigation or menu. Okay, yeah. So after that, this particular next thing, so the big image or any sort of big banner here just after the navigation and the header is a banner section of the website. So this is the header section where your logo is present. This is the navigation or menu section where you have links to navigate your site, and after that this big portion in every website is called as banner. Okay, so as you can see, the banner of Akshar Digital is like this, right? You can see the banner of this particular website is like this, right? It has images which are sliding, right? So in that way this portion is called as banner. So while creating a website, when I will tell you we had to create menu like navigation, then that means we had to give these links to our site. When I will tell you that we had to place logo in the header, that means in the header section we are going to keep our logo. When I will tell you about the banner, so banner means the big banner after this, after the navigation panel. Okay, and in every website header and banner is created differently. So suppose in these two websites it is similar, okay, but in some websites there would be header at the top, and after that there is going to be the menu, okay, and after that banner. Okay, so you need to understand that the layout of the website can be different, okay, from website to website, but the logo section is going to be called as header, the navigation section is going to be called as menu, and this big portion is always going to be called as banner. So what after the banner? So let me tell you guys, after the banner there is a content section, and there is not going to be a single content section. In every website there is going to be multiple content section. So this particular content section is the content section number 1. Then after this read by categories, this particular content section is content section number 2. So in every website we can keep content section on our choice. Okay, so suppose this was Akshat Digital. So in my content section in the home page, I wanted to show people first about me, then about my blogs, then about my membership, then about the recent posts, right? So this particular sections is content section number 1, 2, 3. I have 3 content sections in my site, and when you go down, this is the 4th content section where I have uploaded my marketing case studies, as you can see. Okay, and this section, this big banner, okay, this is also a type of banner between the website, okay, between the content section. So this is called as parallax. Okay guys, this section is called as parallax. Okay, because at the background you can see our image is not moving, our content is moving, right? Image is stable, laptop is stable at its position. So this section is called as parallax, and this section is not compulsory in every site. It's in your choice whether you want to keep this or not. In most of the websites there is header, navigation, banner, content section 1, content section 2, content section 3. After that, content parallax, content section 4, and this last section is called as footer of the website. Okay, footer. So as you can understand, this section is header, this section is footer. Okay, this is the footer of akshatdigital.com. Okay, so I hope you understood what I taught you about the website layout. There is going to be website in 4 to 5 sections: header, navigation, banner, content, footer, and parallax is an optional one. Okay, so if you understood what I taught you about the pixels and website layout, type yes in the chat box. So I will come to know you understood my point about the website layout and about the pixels. Type yes in the chat box if you understood that. Type fast guys, because we had to start creating the site also, right? Have you understood about the website layout and pixels? Type yes in the chat box then. Good. Okay, that's nice. You guys are understanding what I'm teaching to you. Okay, so then we will move towards creating our site. Okay, and guys, let me tell you one more thing before starting to create our site. That is, in tomorrow's session I will teach you these extra options, like how we can keep chat box in our website, how we can secure our website with this connection. Okay, this lock connection. Okay, I will teach you these things also in tomorrow's workshop. So all the people who are going to learn today, they had to attend tomorrow, so you can keep these extra features and you can charge extra for this particular features, you know. Okay, so let's start creating our site. So guys, to create our website, we had to go to local WP first. Okay, so let me open local WP. Here is my local WP. Okay, you had to click so yesterday I taught you how to install the local WP, right, and how to download it. So here is this button here, create new site. You had to click on that particular button, or you can click here also, add local site or create new site. Okay, so I will click here now. So they are asking what you want to keep as your site's name. So I want to keep my site's name as uh, as Akshat Singh. Okay, I will keep my name as my site's name. AKSHIT Akshat SINGH Singh. Okay, you can keep any name whatever you want to keep to your website. Okay, then you had to click this button here, continue. After the continue, you need to choose the environment of your website. So to choose the environment, I will choose preferred one. And guys, this is my very what we say, this is my very preferred instruction, that you always choose the environment as preferred. Do not choose custom, because when we choose custom, we need to enter our own versions, and that is not good for our site. If we will choose preferred, then they will give us the latest one, right? So always choose the preferred one. After choosing the preferred one, click on continue. Okay, so now guys, you need to remember three things always. To create your site, to enter into the dashboard of your site, from where you can control your site, from where you can modify your site, you need to remember your username, your password and your email ID. So I am going to enter my email ID here. And guys, when you are when you are working in the digital medium, let it be Facebook or Facebook marketing or Instagram marketing or website designing, you always need to keep one good email ID and one good password which you are going to use on every platform, so you don't forget that. Okay, and you have a backup of mails you get from that particular softwares which you are using. So as I have entered my email ID here, I will enter the username as Akshat. Okay, so for my site the username is Akshat. Okay, and for my site's password is going to be admin, ADMIN. So as you can see, guys, these three things are very important, so you always have to remember Akshat, admin and email. Okay, username, password, email. Click on add site. So as soon as you click on add site, local WP will take little bit of time to create your website folders. Okay, and it will automatically create a WordPress site for you. You don't need to create manually. Okay, but suppose if you are working on a live site with domain and hosting, so till that time I will give you an introduction about domain and hosting. This introduction I am also going to give you tomorrow's workshop, but I will give you today so you can understand few things. Guys, this name akshatdigital.com is my domain. Okay, so this is the name of my site. When any internet user in all over the world, okay, wants to know more about me, he will go to my website, that is akshatdigital.com. okay, and this website is live because I have bought hosting. So what is hosting? Hosting is a space in internet database. So suppose to keep any music or movie in your phone, you need space, right? You need space in GB to keep that particular movie in your phone, right? In the similar way, we need hosting to host our website on internet. Okay, so it will be everyone would be able to Sakshi is asking, can we give her shop name? Yes, you can give your shop name to Sakshi. It depends on you, but I will tell you that use the name which you are going to buy domain for. Okay, so I have bought domain for akshatdigital.com. So while creating that site, I will use Akshat Digital. Okay, so where I was, yes, I was telling you about hosting, right? So for hosting, guys, hosting is a space in internet database. Okay, so we need to buy domain and hosting to make our website live. So right now we are creating our website in our local, not creating it. We are not creating this website in live servers of internet. We are creating it in a local file in our. After that we are going to migrate this website from local to internet. Okay, so I will teach you that also, yes, tomorrow, and I will teach you how to buy your domain and hosting too. Okay, So but I just gave you a little bit of explanation so you can understand what is your site name and everything else. And I will also teach you, once you buy hosting, how you can install WordPress there, to create your site in WordPress. So it is adding WordPress right now, so let's wait for few more seconds, it will get added. And yes guys, I will also give you one promo code. If you buy your hosting and domain from that particular promo code, you will get somewhere around 20 to 50% off in your hosting and domain. Okay, so I will share that promo code also tomorrow with you. Okay. So I hope guys you understand what is there about domain and hosting, and I hope you also understand how to install WordPress locally in local WP. So if you understood that, type yes in the chat box right now. So I can move ahead with the website. Vaibhav is saying live stream is buffering. Sorry Vaibhav, maybe there is some issue, network issue, because of which it is buffering. But don't worry, if you don't understand something, I will teach you that again. Okay. Yes, don't worry about that Vaibhav. Type yes in the chat box if you understood how to create your website, local website database in local WP, and what is about domain and hosting. Type fast guys, so I can start this workshop. We can start creating our website now. We have installed our WordPress already. Type yes in the chat box. When you type yes, I come to know, okay, people are listening to me and they are understanding my point, right? Have you understood what I taught you? Okay guys, so let's start creating our site now. As you can see, our website is live right now, so we had to click on this live link enable. So once we click on this enable, our live link of the website gets enabled, but only we can view our site, or the person who is in front of this computer can see the site. Okay, in your PC you can't share that site with somebody else, because that your site is not hosted on internet, it is hosted locally in your PC. Okay, and then also you need internet connection to create your site. Okay, so as you can see here are two buttons, one is admin, second is view your site. So what I will do, I will click on view site. Okay, so as soon as I click on view site, my site gets open in local WP, as you can see. and this is our dummy website right now. See, so you can see here I have kept the name Akshat Singh for my site. Okay, so it is showing Akshat Singh. Okay, and as we don't have SSL for our website, it is showing not secure, right? Don't worry about that, I will teach you that also yeah, tomorrow. Okay, so this is our dummy website. Now we are going to remodify it. Now we are going to design our website, guys. So to design our website, we had to log in into the dashboard of our website to go to the WordPress dashboard, right? So in this URL here, click on this URL, then akshatsingh.local/. Okay, after this akshatsingh.local/, you had to write wp-admin, everything in small, in small caps. Okay, akshatsingh.local/wp-admin. After that you had to click enter. Okay, so once you click enter, WordPress is asking your username and password which you have kept while creating your website. So I hope you understood that when you keep when at that time we were we were installing username and password, that is for the future purpose. So as we need username and password to log in into our Facebook account, similar way we also need username and password to log in into our website. So let's enter our username. So my username was AKSHAT, Akshat, right? And my password was admin, 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 right? So I will click on login now. Login. And always keep a little bit tough password so nobody can hack your site. Okay, so while creating locally you can keep a easy password, but while creating it on an internet database you need to keep a high profile password there. Okay, so after this is our WordPress dashboard, guys. From this dashboard we are going to control our entire site. So what I will do now, I will go to local WP once again and I will click on this button view site once again. Okay, so after clicking there you can see here is my site and here is my dashboard, right? So now when I will create my site I can see the live preview here, right? So I have opened both of this. And guys, remember one thing, in local WP now your website is live, okay, for you to create it. But if you will click here stop all or stop site, your website will stop. So don't click on this link until and unless you finished your work. Okay, and you can click on this link and you can shut down your PC, and when again tomorrow or later on when you want to work on your website, you can again open local WP, you can choose the website and you can start website, click from there. Okay, and you can create multiple site in this one software from this here. Okay, you can keep creating more and more sites as much as you want, guys. So now I will close this local WP. We will go to Chrome and we will start creating our website, guys. Now I hope you all are enjoying this session. So this is our dashboard. So as you can see, I have here told you we need to launch our website from local WP. So we did that. Okay, so after that we need to start creating our website. So for creating our website, the first step was to log in into our site, which we already did. We logged in into our WP dashboard, right? WP means WordPress. Now the next step is we had to choose a design for our website, a template, a website template or a website theme. Okay, so to choose our website design we need to install a theme. That theme name is Astara in WordPress. Okay, so now we will go to WordPress. Here are your options: appearance, theme. Remember this, guys, in your WordPress dashboard you had to go to appearance and then you had to go to themes. I am repeating myself multiple times so you guys can hear me if the if the connection is buffering. Okay. So guys, there are already few themes installed in our site, and right now this theme 2020 is active in our site. Okay, but we don't want to create website in this particular theme because this is not that much good. Okay, so what we are going to do first, we are going to delete all these themes from our site. So click this theme, click delete. Okay, after this themes, click delete. Okay, so guys, because 2020 theme is active on our website, so we can't delete it. We can only delete deactivated themes from our site. So what I will do, I will install our theme which is named as Astara, and then I will activate that theme, and then we will we will delete this theme. So to install theme Astara in our WordPress, we need to click here in our dashboard, appearance, themes, add new. As you can see here, add new, click on this button. And guys, you must be wondering why we are deleted all the themes. Okay, that is why, because if we will keep themes, more than 2 themes in our site, it may get collapsed together. Okay, so it is my suggestion for all of you, always keep one theme in your site. So this is our theme, Astara, Astara. So this is our theme, guys. We are going to install this theme. So as you can see, here is this button, install. Click on this button. So right now this theme is installing, so we had to wait. Okay, so we have installed this theme. Now there is a button, activate button. Okay, so you had to click on this activate button. So your this theme will get activated. Okay, so our theme has got activated. Now we had to go to this 2020 theme. We had to click on theme details, and we had to delete this theme. Delete. Okay, so as you can see, now we have only one theme in our site. So guys, this is our theme, right? As you can see the preview now, refresh this page. This is our Astara theme now. Now guys, let me tell you one very important thing. To get pre-made website templates, as soon as you install the Astara theme, you get this pop-up. Thank you for installing Astara. Do you know Astara comes with dozens of ready-to-use starter templates? Install starter templates plugin to get started. So you had to click on this get started button, guys. So what will happen, you will get ready-made themes for Astara. Okay, so you don't need to create entire website from zero. You will already get a theme, you just need to change its content and photos, to create a website. So as you clicked here on get started, so it is already automatically getting installed and activated. So we had to wait. It is activating right now. Once it will get activated, they will show us. Okay, so now we are here in getting started. So guys, let me tell you one thing. You don't know maybe this, but Elementor, this particular, is a page builder. So what does page builder do? Page builder allow us to drag and drop features into our website. Okay, so we are going to select Elementor as our page builder. So you must be thinking why we are selecting Elementor. We are selecting Elementor because it is most widely used page builder. Okay, and this Elementor is having great features compared to any page builder, and it is most easier to use, and it has most features. So we will click on Elementor. Okay, so as we have clicked here, now it's loading. Okay guys, so this is our website templates. We can choose any template from this, and we can start creating our website. So let me tell you one thing before that. There are few paid templates and there are few free templates too in our site. Okay, so it depends on us So you don't have to choose paid templates. Okay, you have to always create a website with free template, because it has very good free templates. So to get all the free templates, you have to click here all. Okay, so all is selected here, click on it, choose here free. Okay, free. As I have chosen free, now you can see all the free websites I am able to view. Okay, these all templates are free, guys. So let me tell you for which businesses now you can create site. I think so for almost any business, like outdoor adventure, mountain, organic store, academy, online learning academy, women empowerment NGO. For any NGO you can create a site. Life coach, natural website, brand store for e-commerce, musician website, elderly home, old age home website, horticulture website, ebook website, nutritionist, cosmetic store, yoga instructor, BBQ restaurant, fitness trainer, animal welfare, dentist, pet, fashion, accountant, windows and door services, custom printing, real estate, car wash, garden maintenance, interior designer. So you can get client in any of this section. Okay, you can choose any business. You can tell them, I can create a very beautiful website for you, and you can sell them the website designing services, right? For barber, see here, for barber, for plumber, AC technician, restaurant, industry, manufacturing company, conference, charity, coach, motivational speaker. I think so there are so many website templates in it that you can create website for dental clinic, makeup artist, for everything. Okay, so today, as I told you, I will teach you to create a website on yourself. Like, hi, I am Sheikh Muhammad. I am a website designer and digital marketer. Okay, so for that purpose we are going to use this theme, growth marketer theme. Okay, and it after today's session you will be able to create website for any business, for barber, plumber, any business. Okay, because you will come to know how to create a website. Okay, so now we have to install this theme, this template into our WordPress, to create a site for us. So I will click on this. I will click import complete site. Okay, so before, guys, if you want to see demo for some other website, like I want to see how this website looks before creating it, or if your client asks, okay, suppose you are contacting some real estate client and he is asking, show me what type of website you can create for me, then I will give you the project. Okay, so you can click on this preview personal fitness trainer site. As you clicked on this site has got preview here. Okay, so this is the demo of the site which we are going to create. Okay, so suppose if you want to show any of our client, okay, I can create this type of website for you. So just copy this link, this URL, and give it to your client and tell them, okay, so I can create this type of website for you. I will change its image and content according to your needs. Okay, so in this way you can create website for anyone. And as you can see how beautiful these websites are, right? So before choosing any particular template, you can view its, what we said, demo file, and you can also share it with others. So we are going to install this growth marketer theme. Click on this button, import complete site. Okay guys, so let me tell you one thing. Now these are few settings, like we had to import customizer settings. Yes, we had to do that. We had to import widgets. Yes, plugins are already going to be done. Import content. Yes, we need dummy content to replace it with the original one. Okay, and the most important thing, delete previously imported site. So suppose you have already imported some site in your WordPress panel. Okay, I'm sorry. So what you can do, you can checkbox here, and so what will happen, the previous imported site will automatically get deleted and this one will get imported. So I don't have any site in my WordPress, so I will not check this box. I will keep it unchecked and I will click on import. Okay, so now our site is getting imported. We had to wait until and unless it gets we had to wait until and unless it gets imported. And let me tell you one very important thing, guys. You need little bit good internet connection and a good laptop, to create your website. So now it is actually importing. We had to wait until and unless it's finished. Yeah. And while it's importing, type yes in the chat box if you are understanding what I am teaching you, right? You are going to get pre-made site templates. You just need to change the content, color and images, and you are going to deliver it to your client, and you can charge for that website, right? You can charge anywhere around 10,000 to 50,000, depends on the client. If it is a real estate client, you can charge him more, right? Type yes in the chat box if you are understanding my all the points. I'm waiting until it gets importing. Type yes in the chat box now so I can understand everything, whether you guys are understanding it or not. Sheikh Muhammad, will it save our previous data of our site? If you will check, no, it will not save. Muhammad Saif, it will not save our previous data if you will check box there. If you will leave it unchecked, then your both site data will collapse with each other. But if you will check box there, it will automatically get deleted and a new site will get added there. Okay, guys, type yes in the chat box if you are understanding my points. I will also come to know you. Okay, students are understanding what I am teaching to them. Type yes in the chat box if you are understanding what I am teaching you. Okay, so people are typing now. Okay, there are very few people who are typing. If there are somewhere around 37 people viewing this workshop, then at least 30 people should type yes. Guys, what you are doing? Type yes. So hooray, the website imported successfully. As you can see the pop-up, we have imported our website successfully. Okay, so now let's go to our website and check the output. See this. We have refreshed our site. Oh, so you can see we have imported the complete site, right? Now we just had to exchange, means like remove these images and content, and write our own content and place our own images into this site to make it our website. We had to change the logo with our logo, right? We had to just do this little bit minor changes and we can create our site, right? Our website got imported. Each and every page of our website got imported. As you can see, about us page, here it is. This is about us. Then as you can see, testimonials, hire me page. This is testimonials. This is hire me. Yeah, so this is the contact us form. If anyone fill this form, you can get an update on your website. Okay, on your email ID, sorry. So if anyone fill this form, you will get an update on your email ID that okay, you have got a query from particular, from particular email ID from particular person. So I will teach you this also. Today we will create this form, but how to make this form working, how to connect it with your email ID. So if anyone fills their data here, it will automatically get to you. You will come to know that tomorrow. Okay, so you had to join the tomorrow's session also. And I will also teach you what, after creating the website, how to do marketing of any type of business online. Okay, I will teach you that too. So you had to join tomorrow's session. Okay, so now we had to edit this website. We had to, as you can see, the step 3 is building your website, which is to edit the contents of your website, right? So we had to edit page of our website. We had to click edit with Elementor. Okay, so I will teach you that. So this is our website right now. We will go to home page back again. We will close this, it's loading, home page is loading. Okay, so home page got loaded. So we will close this pop-up now. And guys, you have understood everything till here. Okay, so I hope so. Before start creating the website, do you need 5 minutes break? Like we can have a break up to 7, and at 7 we can start creating our website again, right? So let me know in the chat box yes, or type break in the chat box if you need a 5 minutes break before we start editing our content, so you can process everything. Okay, because I am teaching you a very heavy content today. I think you need a 5 minutes break to process, right? So type break in the chat box if you need 5 minutes break. I will come to know. And everyone had to type. Okay, so at correct 7 we will start editing our content. Okay, we will just have a break till 7. Type break in the chat box. You need break till 7 o'clock. Do you need break till 7 o'clock? So we can start editing our content and you can process everything what I have taught you right now. Okay guys, as I can see your messages break, there is a break up to 7 p.m. Okay, exactly at 7 we are going to start creating our website. So at 7 be present again. Okay, so this live is going to be, I am not going to stop this live, it is going to be continue. So let it be open in your mobile. Okay, and just sit for 5 minutes and think about what I have taught you step by step. Okay, because after this you had to create your own site. Okay, and for this 5 minutes we have a break. At exact 7 we are going to start. Okay, so be back 2 minutes earlier only. Okay guys, have 5 minutes breaks and drink water. I need water actually. You had to speak for 2 hours continuously, that's not possible. Yeah, हाँ भाई। अच्छा, 2 मिनट। Hello everyone. So guys, it's 7 now. Actually, this live stream is going, 2 minutes backward. So maybe you will hear my voice at 7:02 or 7:03 p.m. But okay, let's start with the next point. Now we had to understand how we can edit our site's content. As you can see in this PDF, in our today's workshop PDF. Now to edit any text or image, just select it and change anything you want. This process works throughout the website. Now if you want to edit the header and the footer area of your website, just click customize to edit the logo or menu section. So guys, I will tell you one thing about the website. First, type yes in the chat box if you are able to hear me properly, so I can come to know, okay, everyone is able to hear me properly. Then we will start. Okay, type yes in the chat box if you are able to hear me properly. We are starting again. Sakshi is asking about attendance link. Sakshi, we will give the attendance link 15 minutes earlier, okay, before ending this workshop. So students who didn't attended it properly should not should not sign up the attendance. I see, my motive is not to teach 100 people. My motive is to teach exactly precise 30 to 40 people, but they must be able to create their own website. People who are not serious, they are not going to learn about this, because this is a very deep topic. You might have understood this. So I will share the attendance link with you 15 minutes earlier. Okay, just type yes in the chat box if you are able to hear me. I'm waiting for all of you. Guys, are you able to hear me? Okay. Okay, I'm getting a messages now. So let's start editing our site. I hope this is this is exciting for all of you, because I love creating websites and I love marketing businesses through their websites. And you all can do that and earn if you will follow my instructions. So the next point is, so as we can see, after this we had to go to WordPress dashboard. Okay guys, yeah, what I was teaching you is that, as you can read here, to edit any page of your site, just go into that page and click edit with Elementor. So suppose here is our WordPress dashboard, here is this pages. Okay, we had to click pages, all pages. Okay, as soon as we click all pages, we are going to land to our website and to our pages. So as we can see, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4, we have 4 pages with to our site, and these 2 are dummy pages. Okay, so whenever you will install WordPress, you will get these 2 dummy pages as privacy policy and sample page. So you have to checkbox these 2 pages, go here in the bulk action, click on bulk action, click on move to trash and apply only for these 2 pages. Okay, so you have to checkbox it and click on apply. So as soon as you click on apply, it will start deleting. Okay, so those 2 pages move to trash. So right now 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, right, we have 4 pages into our site. And what our next point is, you will then go to an editing section. So if you want to edit any page, you had to, this is, here is the link, edit with Elementor. You have to right click on it and open and choose open link in new tab. So I will choose this for home section. Okay, for our home page, this is our home page, right? I will choose home page. I will go to edit with Elementor, I will right click on it and I will click open link in new tab. Okay, so as you can see, now in my new tab, this link is getting open to edit. Okay, so before starting the editing part, I need to remember you remember we have selected Elementor page builder, right? Because we wanted to build our page in Elementor, right? So we can edit our page also in Elementor. So here is this link, edit with Elementor, right? Because we have selected Elementor page builder. So in this home, you had to right click on edit with Elementor, you had to click on open link in new tab, and as you can see, in new tab your link will get open. Okay, so from here you can edit your content. Okay, you can see the preview of your content just from drag and drop. Okay, and as you can see from this, you can close this and you can see the preview, and you can again open this by clicking here. So guys, let me I'm going to tell you 2 very important things right now. So I hope you all are able to hear me. There were somewhere around 30 people at the starting of this workshop, and right now there are only 28. But let it be, these 28 people are serious. So this is a very important point in any website, guys. Let's take an example of akshaydigital.com. So guys, whether you go to any website, okay, any website, mostly in the 99% websites, okay, in 99% websites, the menu, header and footer of that particular website, this is the footer and this is the menu and header, right? In our website, this is the header, this logo and this menu is the header, and this section is the footer here, smaller white section. Okay, so in any website in this world, footer and header is always going to be same for every page. Okay, that is a standard process of creating a website. So in akshaydigital.com, you go to any page, like I am right now going to blog page. Okay, or in this our website, if you suppose go to about page, as you can see in blog page also my header is same, my header navigation, and my footer is same, right? At our website also, as we are going to about us page, as you can see our header, navigation and our footer is same. So this is a rule for creating any website. You have to keep your header, footer and navigation same. Okay, that's a standard process for creating a site. I hope you understood that. Now the next very important thing which I am going to tell you is that in today's generation, okay, in today's world, nobody wants unresponsive site. So you might be wondering what is unresponsive. So there are two types of site. One is unresponsive and one is responsive site. So let me tell you the difference between these two sites. Suppose you want to fill application for any government exam, okay, so what do? You go to cyber cafe and you tell them, okay, fill my this application, right? So when you will view any old government website, you will find that this website is not responsive. That means this website is not looking good in mobile, okay, in mobile device, but that website is looking good, looking good in laptop but not in mobile. Why that is so? Because that website is not responsive. Okay, so if you will view Akshar Digital, suppose I will show you Akshar Digital, or if you will view our website, our theme which we have chosen, so we are going to create responsive site which is going to look good and going to fit in mobile as well as in desktop both. Okay, and this is a, if you will sell your website designing services, all your clients will say that I need mobile optimized site. So mobile optimized is another word for responsive website. Responsive website means, or mobile optimized website means, a website which fits on every type of device, from a big TV screen to the small mobile. Your website needs to fit in every screen, okay, in every type of screen size. So I will teach you how we can do that. But I will show you the example first. So suppose my website in the desktop looks like this, okay. Now I had to fit all these options in mobile also. So suppose I will show you the mobile view of my website now, how it look in the mobile. So you will come to know. From the desktop only I can show you the mobile view. So suppose right now I need to show you the site of Moto G4 web, or iPhone X. I want to show you how my website looks in iPhone X. So see this. Just wait for a second. I need to refresh it so it will get aligned properly. Okay. So now as you can see this. My website looks like this on Moto G4, on iPhone X. Okay. So it is getting fitted properly. Okay, as you can see, every part of my website gets fit. Okay, this pop-up also gets fit in the mobile, right? Because I have created a mobile optimized site, I have created a responsive website. Okay, this is my footer, right? Now let's see my website in another mobile device. Like I want to see my website in iPad. Okay, iPad is iPad. Okay, so iPad is a big device. Okay, so the size of that particular screen is different. So as you can see, my website is also fitting in iPad, right? So it is optimized for iPad 2. After that, Moto G4, right? So here you can see Moto G4. My website is fitted for Moto G4 too, right? So in the similar way, we had to create remote responsive website so it will fit in any device, right? Okay, so I will close this and I will show you our site which we are creating today, its responsiveness. Okay, so guys, to work in in our site, so we had to create three type of site now. One for desktop, one for mobile, and another one is for tablets or anything else, right? So here in Elementor, when we come to our site and when we choose edit with Elementor, we get a device option. As you can see here, responsive mode, it is here down below. Right now it is in desktop mode, right, in your PC screen. So you had to click on this responsive mode and you had to choose mobile. Okay, so now this is the mobile view of our website, as you can see. So that means this website template is responsive. Okay, it is mobile optimized. Why it is mobile optimized? Because it is getting fit in the mobile, right? So this template is mobile optimized, that means. So as this template is mobile optimized, what we can do, we had to just edit its content. Okay, but suppose this template is not mobile optimized, then we had to optimize it. We had to fit that particular thing. Suppose, as you can see in desktop, the size of this particular content and the structure of this particular content is different than in the mobile, right? It's decreasing the size and everything. So in the similar way, while creating any website, we had to check in all the ways how it's look in mobile, how it looks in in desktop site, right? Because people are also going to view your website in mobile also, right? That's why I have chosen Astara, because what happens in Astara theme, you get all the pre-made website templates mobile optimized, which you don't get in other themes. Okay, and you get almost all the themes, all the website templates for all kind of businesses. Okay, so you had to just edit that particular website template, right? Hmm. So I hope you understand that till this point. So there was one more very important thing which I needed to teach you. Just wait for a second, guys. Hmm. Hmm. So guys, to teach you how you can use Elementor page builder to create your own website, or how you can edit it, or how you can enter new type of widgets into your website. I will create a new page to teach you that. I won't teach you in this particular pre-made pages. I will create a new page, and what will happen after looking at that particular new page, you will come to know, okay, so we need to edit this particular thing like that. Okay, so I will teach you by creating a new page. So first let me close this. Okay, here, so guys, if you want to create a new page in WordPress, you have to go here, see add new, or click on this add new button here. Okay, in the all pages section too. So from anywhere you can go and click add new. So as soon as you go and click add new, you get a new page here. So what you had to do, as this home page is called as home page, right? This is about testimonials, so all the pages have their own name, right? So at this section, add title, we have to add the name of our page. So I will add as demo. Okay, so as we have chosen white color for our website content, so it's looking like this. Okay, so it will look different if you will choose different type of themes, starter templates. Okay, so this is the name of our this page, demo, right? After creating that writing that name, we had to click here publish. As soon as you click on publish, your page would be live. Now you can view this page from here also and from here also. I will click on this link. Oh, just wait for a second, guys. I don't want to view that page in the same tab, because everything will get confused if I will view it in the same page. I will view that particular page in the new tab. Okay, so what I will do, here is that page. I will click on it, open link in new tab. So as you can see, this is our new page which we have created, named as demo, right? But we haven't did anything to this page. So what we will do now, we will start building this page. So you will come to know how we can build a page or how we can edit a page. Okay, so I hope you understood everything till this point. So write yes understood in the chat box. You can write yes or you can write understood. So I will come to know, okay, you all are listening to me and you all are understanding my point, guys. Type yes in the chat box, guys. Guys, type yes in the chat box if you understood my point. Good. That means you all are understanding my point. Okay. Don't worry. If you will get any doubt, I will sort that doubt also in tomorrow's Q&A session. So what you had to do, guys? So in tomorrow's session, we are going to have Q&A. That means question and answer. You are going to ask me questions or your doubts which you have got while creating the site, and first I will solve that, and then I will start tomorrow's workshop. Okay. So you had to create this site, okay, today. So if you have any doubt, you had to note it down and you had to ask me tomorrow. Fine. So now let's start our next point. That is creating this, now creating. So as I told you, footer and menu of all the page is going to be same. So as you can see this, our menu and footer is there, going to be there in every page, right? And it is going to be same.
Guys, type yes in the chat box if you are.
Oops, sorry. Yeah. So now we had to go to pages. Okay. We had to go to pages. Suppose this page is there, demo page. We had to click here, edit with Elementor. Oh sorry, so there is having no option to open this link in new tab. So I will go to dashboard, back to dashboard. So when you will click on this WordPress logo, you will go back to dashboard. So right now we are at all pages. So this is the page demo. Okay. Sorry, you had to open this page in the new tab. Means not open means not to view that page. You had to go to this demo, click this and open link in new tab, and as soon as you open this link in new tab, you had to click edit with Elementor. So we will start creating this page with Elementor, right? So yes, so whenever you will create the page for the first time, you won't get that option edit with Elementor, right, as you are getting for other pages. So you might be thinking, then how we can create how we can edit it with Elementor. So what you had to do, you had to view that page, and there you will get a button edit with Elementor. You had to click on that. Okay, so right now this is our blank page. So what I am going to do, I am going to create this page similar to the home page. Okay, but I will show you how all the settings which are here in this section, I will show you by using this widgets too. So suppose for this particular growth and content marketing, this website has used title widget. Okay, this widget is called as title. So this is this title widget. It is heading, actually it is called as heading, sorry. This is a heading widget which they have used for this particular content piece. Okay, so I will tell you how you can drag and drop this widget and how you can use this. But before that, let me tell you one very important thing which I haven't told you till now, because I was waiting for you to come till this point. Okay, so let's suppose we go to akshaydigital.com. So guys, you must be thinking how we make responsive websites. So we make responsive websites because we create websites in columns, rows and sections. Okay, so let me tell you how. Suppose what you are doing, you are making 20 students or suppose 20 childs to stand in a same row. Okay, so that row, suppose that particular line where the child is standing one after other, it goes up to 20-meter long. Okay, because they all are standing together in a single line. But what you can do, you can make five childs to stand together in one single line. So when 5 children will stand together in one single line, then that row will be short. Instead of 20 meter, that row is going to be only of 5 meter, right? So in that way we can, you know, fit our site. So let me tell you how. This is the column number 1, for example. Image, this image is column number 1. This content portion where this form is, this is column number 2. Okay, so column number 1 and column number 2, when we view it in our phone, what happens is that column number 1 gets at first, okay, and after that column number 2 comes. Similarly, my image is column number 1 for this particular row, and this my name template is column number 2. Okay, so when you view it in phone, what happens is that my image comes upward, like this is column number 1 at first, and then second the column number 2 is there, so it automatically gets fit, okay, up and down. As you can see, this was, you know, this was like after this section in my phone, but when we chose desktop, it automatically got adjusted, right? So in this way we create a responsive website, guys. So now, as we can see for this particular site, this is column number 2 and this is column number 1. So see, this column number 1 is bigger than column number 2, right? So I will tell you how you can do that too. And as you can see, for the content section, column number 1 and column number 2 is of equal width, right? But when we choose phone, mobile, as you can see, column number 1 comes at top, columns number 2 goes to bottom, right? So similarly, it gets automatically adjusted, okay? Everything will get automatically adjusted. So I will teach you for that. So whenever we create a website, we create it in columns. So how? So suppose this is the column option. No, this is a section. Okay, when you choose section, they ask you to select your structure. So see, this is a single structure, right? So this heading is created in single structure, but this particular thing or this particular thing is created in double structure. So see, double, right, triple, 4, or you can choose, you know, smaller and bigger one, bigger and smaller one, right? So what I am going to do here, I am going to choose double section, and I will, you know, I will specify its width by myself. So I will choose this one, double, right? So I have got these 2 sections here, right? Now, as you might be able to see this 6 points here, you had to right click on it and you had to click on edit section. As soon as you click on edit section, you had to go to this 3 sections are there: layout, style, advanced. So you had to right click on it, click edit section and go to advanced. Okay, you had to go to this advanced section. After going to this advanced section, you had to unlock this. So see, this is lock, this is unlock, and this is a padding for desktop. Here you can see the icon. If you want, you can change it to mobile, but we had to keep it for desktop, okay? Because what we are going to do, first we are going to create a site for desktop, and then we will start, then we will optimize it for our mobile phones. So I hope you all are understanding this, right? Okay, so we had to unlock it. What happens when we keeps it locked? So if this is locked, if we enter any value here, suppose I want to give top padding 100, okay, padding and top 100, what happens? Automatically right, bottom, left, all the padding gets 100, but I don't want to give padding to everything, right? So I will unlock it and then I will give padding one by one. So for padding, for the top, go to advanced, go to padding. For the top, I want to give it 250, okay, right? So I have did that. And for bottom, I want to give it 350, but for the left and right, I want to keep it 0, okay? So in this that way, now when we will go to our home page, right, which we have viewed at first, this is our home page, right? So you will see that when you will click on this 6 points here, so yes guys, so when you will click on this here and edit section. You can see in advance they had given this padding 250 350, right, and they have unlocked it. We have also did the same, right, 250 350 unlock, right. So now these are the two sections. So the first section is for this all content and button, and the second, this smaller section is there, okay, just to keep it blank. So this content and button keeps this side aside, right, at the left side. So what we will do, we will choose this point. Got it. We had to right click on this book notification. So what happens when you choose this 6 points to edit section, that means you are editing the whole section including this 2 columns too. And when you click on this notebook, right click and edit column, you are just editing this particular column, okay. So for this, see, the first thing in after clicking here edit column, the first thing comes layout. In layout there is column width in percentage, right. I have taught you that in while creating a website you can either give a dimension in percentage or in pixels, right. So here it is asking us in dimension in percentage, right, and you can see that widget space is in pixels. Px means pixel. So right, in website we don't use centimeter and inches, we use percentage and pixels. So here I am going to give it 25%. 25, I'm just going to type 25. So as you can see, I had given 25% column width to this column. That means automatically my column number 1 gets extended from 50% to 75%, right. Now guys, to see this particular change, you had to click here on this update button here, okay. So as soon as you update, your this particular change gets updated, okay, and you can see that change here. So right now we haven't uploaded anything, so first we will upload. So as you can see now it's updated, right. So what we will do now, we will add this particular thing, okay, this text, growth and content marketing. So for this we had to select this, go to this notebook, click edit column, go to widgets, okay, and in widgets you had to click this T, heading, okay, because this is a heading. So we had to click heading. So now people know, I have taught them yesterday headings, right, H1 H2 H3. So this is heading there, okay. Click this heading, drag it, okay, click in, and you know, keep clicking on the left of your left tab, left cursor in the mouse, drag and drop it into the column number 1. As you can see, as soon as you drag and drop it here, it is asking you to add a text. So I am going to add a text. So I am not going to add similar text, growth and content marketing. I will add website designer and digital marketer. Yes, so I have added here website designer and digital marketer. So we now need to, you know, increase its do its typography. So what does typography mean? So typography means, you know, choosing the font style of the website. So you can choose different type of font styles, okay. And from here, font family, font family, you can choose any, Arial, you can choose Vardhana. There are many fonts available here, more than 100 fonts, but I will keep it default. So what happens when you keep it default is that it matches with the theme. So this is the default font family of this particular theme. So when you will keep it default, it will match with that particular theme. So yesterday I have taught you H1 H2, right. So as you can see, this is H2, heading 2, okay. And we are going to click here typography, we are going to increase its size. So as you can see, we can increase font size in pixels, right. Here it is px, right. As I already told you, in website we work in pixels. So I am going to choose its size as 65, no, not 65, 60 pixels. Yes, I will choose its size as 60 pixels and I will click on update. So it will get updated, right. So we have added our first column, first content column, right. As you can see here, now it's second. The second one is also same, heading tag, as you can see this, but it is a smaller heading tag, not a bigger one. So for again that we will go to this widgets. you can see these 6 dots here. Click here, again you will come to widgets, drag and drop this heading below this, okay, not at upper side, below, after this particular text. Right now here it is, right? I am going to change. So what it is here, I identify the most efficient ways to grow business. Okay, so I create awesome websites. Suppose I create awesome websites to grow business. Wait for a second, guys. Yes, to grow business, right? And then we had to do typography again, so we are going to choose H4 tag, right? As we can see here, it is H4, right? Now what is there, as you can see, there is a little space at the top right here, which is not there in our site. Why it is so? For that space, to find out why it is there, we had to go to advanced. So as you can see, they have given 15 pixel padding to the particular image, to this particular text widget, right? Here it is. So we will also give it padding. Go to advanced, first unlock it, and then give 15 pixels padding to the top. 15. Okay, so it is done, right? And click on update, keep clicking on update. So what happens if the electricity goes down or your internet stops working? You won't lose your hard work, you won't lose the site which you have created. After that, you had to go to this button, right? We had to create this button. So for this button, here it is, we had to again go to this widget. We had to choose button. As you can see, here is a button widget here. Drag it and drop it after this text, right? So there is the button. So as we can see, here is this text, let's talk, right? And they have also kept an icon. This is the icon, right? So we will change this text to hire me, okay? And I will also keep an icon here. So you can choose your own icon by yourself. You have to just click on this icon here, plus symbol, and you will get options from Elementor by itself to choose an icon. These icons and everything makes your website more visible and more attractive. People can interact with the site more and more. Which icon we had to choose? Suppose I will search here call, okay. Calendar, ID card, close, carrot, suppose arrow. Yes, so I will use this arrow icon at the left side, and see, right now it is coming before, right? But here, as we can see, it is after the text. So here is the option icon position, we had to change it after, okay. And it is the option icon spacing. As you can see, there is enough space between the text and the icon here. We will also increase this icon spacing, and our icon will be little far than our button, right? So this, our button is ready now. But as we see, they have given padding to the button also. So go to advanced, check what padding they have given. So they have given 50 pixel top padding. So we will also do the same. We will go to advanced and we will give top padding as 15 pixel, sorry, 50 pixel. Yes, 50 pixels, and click on update. So guys, this is, we have created it similar, right? But we have missed one thing here. That is, as you can see, there is space at the right side here, okay. No, at the left side here there is this space, right? But in our section there is no space in the left side. Why? Because they have given padding to this column also. So go to column, click on edit column, go to advanced, and as you can see, they have given 100 pixel space to the left side, right? So we will also do the same thing. We will go to column, we will click on edit column, we will go to advanced, and then we will unlock this padding, and then we will go to left and we will give them 100 pixel padding. and we'll click on update. Now it's similar. Now it is coming little bit in center as here it is, right? As you can see, right? These both are almost same now. But I will increase this size little bit to 65. I will try. Nope, 60, 62, 63, 64. Okay, so I will keep it 64. Okay, fine. Now as we can see, they have their a background image here. So guys, in a website there are two types of images. One is the kind of image which is with the content. Okay, so here is the content, here is the image. You can't change that particular image from there. So let me show you by example. You won't understand like that. This is the image. Okay, so we can't write anything on this image. Why? Because this is not a background image. Okay, but for this, as you can see, these hands are at the back side. This is a background image, so we can write anything above this. Okay, similarly here in the home page, if you will see this image, let it be load. So this image is a background image, right? It is not a image file, it is a background image for this. So we had to go to our website, we had to choose this again, whole section, because this particular image is in the whole section, right? Go to this section, right click, edit section, go to style this time. Okay, this thing we are going to do it in style. Go to style, choose background. Background type is going to be classic. This a brush icon here, background type classic, and then this option is here, image. You had to click on this plus button, and there are already few images in your site. But what if you want to add new image which is not available in your site? Okay, so this image is there in this website, right? We will choose this image, but I will show you how to upload new image if you want to change it. Here is the right now we are in media library. Go to upload files here and choose select files. In select files, choose any image you want to upload. Suppose I choose this workshop day 2 image. I have clicked on it. I will click on open. So now it's uploading. Okay, it's uploading in my WordPress. But guys, I don't want to use this image, so I will delete it from here. You can delete it also. So this image is there in our background, right? I will choose this image. I will click insert media. Okay, so right now as you can see, it's looking different from this, right? It's not getting fit properly, so we had to change few settings for that. So go to layout. For that, go to layout. For column gap, choose no gap. Okay, right. For height, choose no, don't height, choose. For vertical align, choose top. Okay guys, for vertical align you had to choose top. Then again come back to style. Okay, so in style, where we have kept our image, below that, after choosing the image, you will get these options, these 4 options. So for this position, I want center left. Okay, so this is center left, this is center center, this is center right. As you can see, the image will change according to what you will choose. So what I will choose is center left. Then attachment, I want fixed. Okay, I don't want scrolled. So what happened between fixed and scroll, I will teach you that. So repeat, I know I don't want a image repetition, so choose no repeat. And size, this is the most important thing. Size, choose cover. So what happens when you choose cover, your whole image will look like a cover of a background image. Okay, it won't, you know, it right now our image was not in the whole view mode in the desktop. Now it came whole, right? So we had to choose cover. So what happens when we choose fix? Okay, so let us go here and see. This is a fixed scroll. That means my background image is not scrolling, my content is only scrolling, right? And if you will choose scroll, then what will happen is that your image will also scroll with your content. But what I want to keep it fixed, so it adds some type of, you know, design to my site, some type of, you know, awesomeness to my site. So right now image is not scrolling, just the content is scrolling, right? As you can see here also, right? In this way you had to do this. Now it's about this. So we have created our banner. This was the banner part of our website. Now it's time to create content section 1. Okay, this was the first, this is the first content section. So go to home, open, oh sorry, not this one, our demo page, open this and go to next section. So for the next section, so guys, I want to tell something important to all of you here. So before telling you that, I want to know that you all are listening to me. Type yes in the chat box. Am I audible to all of you? Type yes in the chat box, guys. I'm waiting. As soon as you will type, we will go ahead with the important things. Are you able to hear me? Type yes in the chat box so we can start. Guys, type. Okay guys, so as I got a message, I will tell you the important thing which I wanted to tell you now. Okay, you don't need to create every block by yourself. So this is a first block, okay, a banner block. This is a content block. This is another content block, right? So you don't need to create every block by yourself. You know what Elementor and Astara do? They provide you additional block which you can just just wait for a second. What Elementor and Astara do, they give you additional blocks. You can just add it in your site and edit it according to you. So here are those. This file section here, this is from Elementor. Okay, this template section is from Elementor. So as you can see, they give you ready-made pages which you can directly add for restaurant, for hotel, for agency, for app, for pricing, for schedule. Okay, for blocks, see, they give you blocks, every type of blocks. So this is a parallax block, this is, you know, this is for home page. And see, there are few free and few paid also. So these blocks are paid, they are pro, right? But you can use free one to create your FAQ block, blog one, right? This is the banner one. You can use these blocks, and you can use templates. So there are no templates. You can you can use ready-made pages also to create your site. So this is from Elementor, okay? And you also have ready-made blocks from Astara. So this icon S is here for Astara. So click on it, and as you can see, you can add these pages from here too, or you can go to blocks here. Go to blocks, okay? Sorry, no result found. Back to, but you would like to import, make a template suggestion. All back to templates. Okay, so guys, right now we don't have blocks. Syncing template librarian really refreshed. I don't know what has happened, but so right now we don't have ready-made blocks for this, but don't worry guys, I will try to give you few blocks by myself. Okay, so from Elementor also you can choose a pre-made block. So suppose I want to import this block into my site. Suppose where it is, I want to import this one into my site. Okay, I have just chosen it. Click insert, connect to template library first. Just wait for a second, I was not connected with Elementor. First I need to connect with them. Okay, I need to create an account and then I need to insert. Guys, I will show you that later. Now I will show you that later how to it's very easy. You have to just sign up here, you have to connect, and then you have to go back here and choose and to click on insert. Okay, there is nothing in it. So now we will go to our next point, that is we are going to create now first let me close this. We are going to create this section now, these two sections. This was just to show you, so you would know that we can create a block from here too. Okay, so this is the section. This is a 2-column section, right? 1 and 2. So I am choosing here 2-column section again. So what I am going to do after choosing this, go to this edit section and here columns gap, choose no gap. So there would be no gap in the columns. Okay, and vertical align would be top. Okay. So after choosing it, what you had to do, you had to go to this notebook icon, column 1, edit column. Okay, after this you had to go to style. You had to choose classic background style and you had to choose background color this time. You don't have to choose background image this time, guys. You are going to choose background color. Okay, not an image, because here as you can see the background color is white, right? So we will go here, color, we will choose white. You can choose any color, just keep hovering it and choose whatever you want to choose. I will choose similar to what we have. Sorry, I will choose white one. Yes. Okay, so as we have chosen white color, but we can see that our pre-made column is very much bigger than what we have chosen here, right? So I will tell you, because we had to add padding. So first we will choose this yellow color too. Here, go to this book, edit column, style, then go to classic, then choose the color, go to yellow one here, choose the orange one. Okay, so yes, guys, don't get disturbed in between because we had to do this. You won't understand it later, but don't worry, I will share the recording also with you. So we have chosen this yellow color now. Okay, so now as you can see there is a padding. Okay, this content is between of it. So when I go here and I choose this edit column, into the advanced tab, I can see that there is 100 pixel padding for all of this. Means from top, right, left, bottom, everywhere there is a padding of 100 pixel. So you have to do this same. Go to this notebook, edit column, go to advanced, padding top 100, padding right 100, padding bottom 100. Okay, so you have added it, click update. Same for this one also. Edit column, go to advanced, padding, update. Okay, so as we can see, we have already given it a padding, but then also their height is not increasing, right? That is why because we haven't given any type of widget to it yet. So now I'm going to give this heading widget. As you can see, this is a heading widget, right? This one also. So drag and drop this heading widget. Now see this, the height gets increased automatically. So first I am going to change its color. Text color is black, right? No, it's blue. Sorry, it's blue here. And don't worry, guys. Now it's going to get over in 15 minutes. So don't feel bored. I will not bore you. We will complete this in 15 minutes, and then you can create your own site. I hope you all are not boring. So type no in the chat box if you are not feeling bored now. Okay, I will continue, keep working, continue, so you can also see. But type in the no in the chat box if you are not feel boring by this. What I do, question mark, style. Wait for a second. I do, question mark, style, text is typography is going to be 20 pixels, font size 20 pixels, and type no in the chat box if you are not feeling bored, guys. I hope so you are not. Then this thing, guys, this small line, as you can see, this is a divider. Okay, this divides the two columns in between. So for this we had to choose from divider here, widgets. This is the divider tab, widget, drag and drop it. So after dropping it, you have to choose its width. I will decrease its width, I will choose its alignment, and then I will go to style. I will choose its weight, I will choose 3 as a weight, and I will decrease its gap to 2. Okay, so as you can see now, it is closer to this what I do, and its gap, its weight is more, it's looking more thick right now. Yes. Then the next part is this particular content. So I will show you how to add that. To add that content too, you had to choose widget. In the widget, you had to choose this heading column, paste it here below this divider, and then upload, add your text here. And guys, you had to add your own text. Okay, you had to add about yourself. Okay, like you don't have to copy paste this entire same thing. You had to write about in your own words. Okay, always remember that, never copy paste any website text, always write your own. So as I can see, only one person have typed no, means only, like, everyone else is feeling bored from this workshop, I think so. Okay, now there are 2. Okay, I will go ahead then also. So this is a button now. You have to go to widgets, you have to add this button text here, drag and drop it below this heading text. As you can see, read more, you have to change this text here, text read more, and then icon is going to be this one. Yes, angle, insert. Yes, now we had to keep the icon after the text, and we had to increase the spacing, right? So our button is ready now, as you can see, right? So our 2 columns of this particular page is ready. We are not going to create all the columns, guys. I will just teach you how to change the text and the content in between. That's it. We are going to create just this one column now. Okay, so we can complete this workshop soon, and I can give you some important updates, and you can start creating your own website, right? And as you know, I am creating this column in front of you, so you can understand if you want to add some additional column, how you can do that. Okay, so otherwise you had to just edit these columns, you had to edit this text. Okay, but sometime if you had to create something by yourself, then you must know how to do that. For example, this Akshar Digital, my website, you know how much time it took me to create this site? It took me 1 week, one entire week to create this website. Why? Because I have created everything in this website manually. I haven't picked any ready-made theme. Suppose right now we are using this ready-made theme, right? But for this website I have created everything by myself. Why I did that? Because we get satisfaction when we create everything by ourselves. Okay, so like I have dreamt of, I want my website banner to look like this, right? So I have created it similar in that way. So you can also create a similar site for you in your way. What type of style do you want? So I wanted this type of styles in my site, I have did that, right? You will also get many creative ideas for your own website, and you can try it out, okay, by creating a site, right? So you can see this, all this section, it is moving up and down, this man is moving up and down. So this type of additional features, so it will take time and experience to learn everything. Okay, so we will just complete this. So how, there is one more shortcut way to complete this, is to copy this entire column, right click, copy. Okay, go here, right click, paste. Okay, and delete this one, delete. Okay, as you can see, our this, both the columns are ready, banner and this. But you might be wondering, in all the pages here we have this type of header, right? Then why our header is in white color here, right? So let me tell you, we had to customize it. So guys, we can create our page with Elementor, right? But for menu and footer, we had to create it by ourselves in the WordPress. We can't do that by Elementor, because menu and footer is going to be similar for every site, right? So what happened, I created this so you might be thinking now, how I can, you know, create this menu same as the other pages. So what you had to do, you had to just view this demo. So right now, as you can see, we have created our demo page like this. This is the output of our demo page, right? This, after that there is a footer. Okay, so what I will do, before showing how to create a menu and footer, I will add few more columns into our page. Copy, paste. You can do this also, copy and paste, copy and paste again, copy and paste. Now as you can see, this page and our home page is similar. Instead of this, just menu is not similar with our home page, right? So I have shown you by creating it live. So before doing the menu and footer thing, I will show you how you can edit your content. So choose any page, go with let me refresh it first, guys. Yeah, so what you can do is that you can choose any page and click edit with Elementor, open link in new tab. Okay, and once you open this edit with Elementor in new tab, you can just open this, you can click here and you can change the text. You can click on this button, you can change this button. And if you want to give link, suppose what I want, if somebody wants to contact me, they must go to my contact me page, right? Or they must come to my WhatsApp group. So you can give a link of your WhatsApp group here in this link tab. Instead of this hashtag, you had to just copy that particular link here. Okay, and suppose it is here, and you have to give it here and you have to click update. Okay, so what will happen after that, when somebody will click there on contact me link, as you can see, I will show you. Oops, sorry guys, just a minute. Just a minute guys, maybe my local WP is not working. Yeah, so now whenever someone will click on this contact me link, as you can see, it will get driven to my akshaydigital.com. okay, so you can give link to the buttons here. Okay, so you can edit everything here, just click on it and edit it, click on it and edit it. Okay, if you want, you can add new columns, new sections also, it's your choice. Okay, so I hope you understood how to edit, how to change image and everything, right? Now we will go to our next point. So now as you can see, it's already 8 o'clock and we have only 2 hours to do this workshop. So now we will go to our next point. So what my next point was, we had to do menu and footer thing. Okay, so as you can see, there is this customize button in the top. Okay, or what you can do, you can go to appearance and customize. Okay, and you can open this link in new tab. So I will click here on this customize button, and then we can create our menu and our footer. So guys, to create our footer, this too is the last thing for today's workshop. Okay, so in appearance, to create menu, this is menu. Okay, and to create footer, you had to go to appearance and widgets. Not footer is not there, you had to go to widgets. So for menu, it is the menu. For widget, this is widgets. And we can also do both the thing from customize. Okay, so here is, I will show you about the menu also. This is the menu. So suppose in the menu, now I want to add demo page also. This is my menu. Home page is at the first. As you can see, they are showing home page first, right? And then about page, then testimonial, then hire me. If I drag and drop home page after the about page, it will go after the about. Okay, but I don't want to do that. I will add it in the top only. So I want to add demo page also to my menu. So what I will do, I will checkbox it and I will click here, add to menu. So as you can see, after that, just wait for a second. See, this demo page get added to my menu, right? After this, click on this save menu. So now whenever you will load the menu, you can see that you have added a new page also in our menu. Just wait for a second. Let me show you the output. See, demo page also got added into our website, right? Here is this page of this link of this page, right? We can add pages, we can remove pages. Choose this page, click here, delete, remove. Okay, so it will get removed. You can change its name also. Suppose you want to change the name of home page to home 1, home 2, you can do that. Okay, after that there is widgets. This is the widget. Okay, so as we can see, our footer is having two widgets. The first one is copyright and the second one is this social media links. So here is the link of Blogger, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Blogger. I don't want this Blogger link, I want Instagram there. Okay, and I want to give them link. As right now you can see, these links are dummy links, right? These all are dummy links. They are driving us to the same page. I want to give them the links of my own LinkedIn page. Then go to appearance, go to widgets, this footer bar section 1, footer bar section 2, choose one. Okay, wait for a second, first choose 2. This is Astara social profile. This is the widget in our footer, social profile. So this is LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Blogger. Choose this Blogger one, change the icon to the Instagram. I will search about Insta here. As you can see, this is Instagram. I have changed the icon. Now I will enter the link here. Okay, you can enter the link here and you can click and you can close this and you can click here on save. Now I have changed that icon to Instagram. Here you can see the output. It will automatically get changed to Instagram. Okay, wait, let it be loading here. First let it be load here. So see, now it has changed from Blogger to Instagram. For similar for copyright text, you have to open just wait for a second, guys. Okay, so we can't change copyright because we need to keep copyright in every website. Copyright means that I have purchased this theme and I am using this type of content. You can't keep the similar content on your site. Okay, so suppose you have a business. Right now my Akshat Digital is a business. Okay, so you can use the similar design but you can't use the similar content. You can't call yourself Akshat Digital because that's a copyright of mine. So you had to give copyright to your sites. Okay, copyright 2020 Akshat Singh, because we have created this site in 2020, that's why. So now we are into customize section and we are in the this. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting this pencil icon here. So this pencil icon, we can click on this pencil icon. We are into our menu, right? But we don't want to do anything on menu, so we will go back. So we are into, see, this is our customize. We have clicked on customize here and we have reached our customize page. So now we had to go to header because there is a problem in our header. We are not able to see it, right? So go to header, go to transparent header, right? Because we need transparent header like other pages. Write this, right? So we will go to and enable on complete website. Click on this. soon as you click on that particular site, you can see that our header is visible now, because our header become transparent. Previously it was having a white background, so we were not able to see this, but now it is transparent, so we can see this. And click on this publish button. Okay, so now our website is ready, our demo page is ready, right? Click on this demo page and you can see this, right? Similarly, we can edit our footer also from here. We can change our copyright text too. See, current year 2020, site title Akshat Singh. If instead of site title I want to add Akshat Digital, suppose here, see, it has got added, right? And I can click on publish. From this clicking on this pencil in the customize section, you can edit the customize section too. Okay, so now as this is our demo page, you can see we have created just now. Okay guys, so one thing I didn't taught you in this section, that is responsive. We have created this site for our desktop, right? But how it will look on our mobile? So it will just take us 5 minutes to make it responsive. See here how. So first reload this page, because we have made changes. Okay, and in 5 minutes we will over this workshop, guys. You all are the students of IEEE student branch, right, from Sanjeevani College. I hope you are enjoying this, and after this you have a assignment from your college, you know, for which you are also going to get a prize, right? You had to create your own website. So guys, do create your own website, because I am going to check it, and I would love that if I have taught someone website designing and that particular guy had created his first website, right? So please do create your please do complete your assignments, you know, so I can see the quality of websites you are creating, right? And I will also hold few multiple workshops in future to, you know, teach you high quality website designing too. So this is mobile. When you go to mobile, so you can see this, we had to fit this. So click on this pencil, go to this is the heading pencil tab, go to typography, choose the text. As we can go to home page, we can see that just wait for a second, I will show you what size they have kept to make it responsive. So for first heading they have kept everything is default, guys. Okay, what we will do, we will keep it as 30 pixels. Okay, and then the most important thing is we will remove the left padding. Okay, wait, let it get updated first. So as you can see, we had to add padding 20, right? Not 20, 10 and 10, right? Then go to styles, wait for a second, edit column. Typography. You can choose 20 pixels or 25 pixels, oh sorry, 25 pixels. Yeah, okay, so 25 pixel is looking good, right? Yes. After this we are going to decrease its size little bit, 15 pixels, or how much it is. Okay, so we will keep it 20 pixels. Yes, 20 pixels is good, looking good. Then we have little less padding at the top here, so we will add padding 10 pixels, no 20 pixels. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so maybe we need to increase this size little bit from 20 feet. We need to make 40 or 35. Yes, 35. Okay, than what I do, right? So we need to decrease its padding little bit, so it should look good. 50 pixels from all the side. Similarly here, right? As now you can see, our website is fully responsive. It's looking good in mobile too. You had to do the similar changes. When I will share the video with you, you can see the video and you can do it step by step, right? Well, you don't need to do anything because you are going to get a ready-made theme which is already going to be responsive. You just have to change the content. But guys, I will suggest you to try to create few of the blocks by yourself, so you will get an experience. Okay, so here we have a fully responsive website now. I will close these tabs. Okay, wait, cancel, update. I will close these tabs. Now control inspect I. As you can see, this is a fully responsive site now, right? In this way you can work on your own site too. Close this tab too. Okay, so once your work is done, you had to log out from your site. Here is this. Go to howdy your name, log out. You have been logged out from your site. So once you get log out, nobody can log in into your site. Only the person who knows the password can log in. So now click on this control. Now when you want to see the output of your site, you won't get these options, customize, new and everything. Why? Because you are not logged in, and your user will never get those options because he don't know the login ID and password, right? You will just see the website like this. So guys, don't forget to create your own website and show me that tomorrow. So I hope you have already got the attendance link in the WhatsApp group and everywhere. And just wait for a second. Yes guys, so we are going to have contest. You had to create your own site, so it's not necessary you had to create your own site. Okay, you don't have to create your own site, like no, don't have to create similar site. You can choose another templates from the template which I have shown you. Right now I will share you this recording of this video, this link of this particular PDF where we have written the steps, so you can follow the steps and create your own site like this. Okay guys, so with this note I will end this workshop. And guys, before leaving this workshop, let me know your opinion in the chat box. Have you enjoyed it or not? So till the end there are only 12 people in this workshop. Do let me know, all the 12 people. I want your honest opinion. Have you enjoyed it? Are you going to create your own site? Are you going to try it out? Let me know in the chat box before leaving this workshop, guys. I really want to know. Tell me in chat box, guys. Tell me in chat box, guys. Have you enjoyed it? So I can create more and more workshops for you. So there are mostly girls who have made that till the end. Only few 2 or 3 boys are there who have made that. So guys, it's very nice to see you have learned from this workshop, and I have created so much value for this 12 people. Now I am waiting for you to create your own site. And guys, listen to me, if you have any doubt related to today's session, write it down, and I will share you the Instagram link, okay, of my official page of Akshat Digital. You can message me on Instagram and I will sort out your doubt, okay. I will sort out everyone's doubt. If you have any doubt related to building this site, building your own website, okay. So start creating your own website and start you doing all of these things, because in tomorrow's session, tomorrow is the last session, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to learn some additional features like chatbot, how I can keep the chatbot in my website, how I can lock my website, how I can buy domain and hosting to